Persistent cough, fever, night sweats, it could be more than just a common illness. AFB acid-fast bacillus is a test used to detect tuberculosis, a serious infectious disease that mainly affects your lungs. Early detection through an AFB test can save lives and stop the spread. At Bahrain Medical Lab, we ensure accurate, fast, and confidential AFB testing using advanced diagnostic technology and expert care. Don't wait for symptoms to get worse. Get tested, stay safe, stay informed. Call us now, 172-55522. Visit us www.bahrainmedicallab.com.